Hypercarnivores have a diet of over 70% meat. This one is the largest to walk the earth, and one of the very few animals known to actively hunt humans. But a polar bear's preferred prey is seal. To survive a life below zero, she must eat more than 50 a year, but catching them is tough, even for such a specialized seal stalker. Orienting tail to the wind, a seal uses its sense of smell to detect predators approaching from behind, while keeping a lookout for any attack from the front. UV-intensifying eyesight helps see through the bear's snow-white disguise. And a smart seal always keeps an emergency exit close by. With fewer than 2 seals every square mile, tracking them down is a challenge. Her sense of smell, the most powerful nose in the animal kingdom. She can even sniff out a seal under the ice. From over a mile away, she picks up a scent carried on the wind. Approaching from downwind, she closes in. Securing enough food just to stay alive is hard enough. Providing for a growing family, even harder. Only a third of cubs reach their second year.